how to post a link in TikTok bio. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, from the profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Now, go to Links from the menu. After that, tap on the website section over here to add the website link. Once you're on this page, type the website address or you can paste the link here. After you are done, hit backspace twice. Since you're in profile page, refresh the page. You now see the website link on your TikTok bio. Tap on the website link and choose the website from the menu. TikTok will directly take you to that website or page. So by following these simple steps, you can easily post a link in TikTok bio. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.